Right, I haven't got much to grip on, but let's give it a go. It should be better with the wood in anyway. That looks pretty good. Yep, good. Right, just going to set the parting tool up because I think that's going to be the way to get that done. Yep, perfect. Right, so now I've got to go get the tool in the right place. So if I go over 3mm, right, that puts the edge of the tool on the edge of this rebate, and I need to go that way. 219 now. Right, lock it off at that. Right, I'm going to have to flip that around, which I didn't really want to do, but I haven't got any choice because I haven't got enough room to get it. Never mind, I'll be okay. Good. Now we've just got to get rid of this bit. Do we risk parting it off? Yeah, let's put a smaller blade in. Right, it's got a smaller blade in there. Let's try parting that off. Right, there we go. The recorder ran out, the video thing ran out before I finished it, but that's basically it. It's parted off. I'll just get the wooden core out now, and then I can anneal it and we'll squash it up in the vise. Let's have a go at squeezing it up. Try and get that as good as possible. I don't really want to induce any twist into it. Right, it's been annealed. Now I need to squeeze that down to about 1 inch, but I'm going to see how it goes. I'll have to keep going, because if I don't, it'll sort of harden a little bit. I think that's probably enough. In fact, if anything, I might try and squeeze that out a little bit. That way. Yeah, I think I prefer that shape. I think if I go down to 1 inch, it's going to be, I mean, this is going to be a bigger door than the drawing, but I think it is better to have a bigger door like that. I quite like the shape as it is. So let's get over and mark it onto the box and try and figure out a way of cutting the hole. Well, I'm just using the end of the scale as a square off of there, so I can get my distance either way now. I think it looks pretty good in there. So we've got 45, so 22.5 there, and 22.5 there. oops, that's 38, that's 19, and 19 this way as well, which is there. Right, they are as near as damn it. Right, this is the firebox side, this is the boiler side. Reason being, the front door is thicker. That's 1/8 of an inch, that one. So I needed a bigger rebate on that side, in case you're wondering. So let's transfer those, which are sort of rough marks. And I need to find the centre of the firebox and then work out the measurements. Right, get the centre of the firebox. We got 3 inches there, and here we've got 3 inches. Okay, now the measurements for the door are 3 1/8 from the bottom of the outer casing, but this is also from this bit, this piece here of the firebox grate, because this actually sticks down 3/8 of an inch below. There we go, look, see it better on that drawing. 3/8 of an inch below the actual outer skin, and this part here is level with the outer casing of the boiler. So I'm going to take my measurement from there, which is 3 1/8 to the centre. Really? Puts the firebox door right at the top of that. Oh dear. Okay. That's what it is. 3 1/8 takes me to there. So now I just need to square off of there. Large parallel to the rescue. I would say that works out pretty good.
Okay, bonus question, 70s groups. This 1974 top 10 song is called Much Too Much. It was the first and biggest hit for an Anglo-American trio. What were they called?
Right, that's the inside. Yeah, right, that's the inside. Make sure you can see that marked out. Right, that's the inside marked out. I think I'm gonna just drill that, chain drill that round there, and then I'll finish cleaning it up and get it to fit with a file. Right, I've got the hole cleaned out with a mixture of the Dremel and the power file. That fits very snugly into there. Seats down perfectly. Great. Yep, pleased with that. Alright, it's just a little lip in there which will need peening over. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do that, but I'll come up with something. But anyway, it's silver soldered as well, and how it actually works is this front cover, which is the front of the boiler, and eventually go over that side like that, and that forms the gap in there, and there's a gap all the way around the boiler which forms the water chamber. But anyway, you'll see all that as it comes together, but that's complete now. And thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and till the next one.